Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing this olive green eyeshadow look, so if you want to see how I achieve this, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by using my ColourPop concealer and applying that on my lid as my eyeshadow base. To set those areas, I'm going to take my Kat Von D translucent setting powder and just apply that on my lids. For the eye look today, I'm going to take my ColourPop and Makeup SHAYLA Perception palette and going in first with the color Culture and applying that on my crease area. Next, I'm going to take the shade Thick and applying that right on top. Now I'm going to carve out my crease with the same concealer and my Morphe M432 brush. Now I'm taking a flat, fluffy brush and applying that translucent powder on my lids. Now I'm going to take the shade IE and packing that on my lid. Now I'm going to take the shade TF and apply that right in the center of the olive green shade. Now I'm just going in with Thick and just blending my crease area. To deepen the crease, I'm going to take the shade Played Out and focusing that towards the end of my eyes. Next, to make the eyes pop a little bit, I'm going to take the shade Unbothered and applying this towards the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm just taking my fluffy brush and blending everything out. Now that I'm back with my lashes on, I'm going to take my Too Faced Hangover RX primer and apply that all over my face. To give my skin a subtle glow, I'm going to take my Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer and applying that as well. Right here, I'm just setting my smile lines with that translucent powder. Also setting my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead. For foundation today, I'll be mixing the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless and the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. Now I'm just taking my Real Technique sponge and blending all of that out. For concealer, I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and applying that on the high points of my face. To warm up my skin, I'm going to take my K-Pop bronzer, and this is the bronzer that Karrueche did with ColourPop. I believe it's discontinued, but any bronzer would work for this look. Now I'm blending out all my concealed areas with my Real Technique sponge. Then using the back of my beauty blender to blend my bronzer out. So unfortunately my battery went dead when I set my face. So for my under eyes, I used the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. To set my entire face, I used the Sephora Micro Smooth Setting Powder in the shade Tan. To set my bronzer, I used the same powder but in the shade Deep. And for the blush, I used my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Drop of a Hat. To melt all those powders together, I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus Golden Light Spray and set my face. Now I'm just taking my Face and Body Real Technique sponge and dabbing that all over my skin. Now I'm just doing a little nose contouring and blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. Now for the eyebrows. You're probably thinking, why did I wait to do this towards the end of the video? But I like doing this last because when I do it first, I tend to get foundation, powders, all those products on my eyebrows, and they tend to transfer, get messed up. So I like doing this step last. To fill in my brows, I'm taking the ColourPop brow pencil and carving my eyebrows out. If you would like a more detailed video on how I do my brows, just comment below. Now I'm cleaning the brows with the same concealer and angled brush. Right here, I'm applying the shade Thick on my lash line. Then going in with my Benefit Bat Gal mascara on my bottom lashes. For highlighter, I'm going to take the ColourPop in Makeup SHAYLA highlighter in the shade Boomin, and I'm just going to apply this on the highest points of my face. So here I'll be setting my face again with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray just to lock everything in. For the lips, I'm taking the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF3. Now I'm applying the ColourPop lipstick in the shade Ooh. And yeah, just applying this on my lips. For the gloss, I'm going to take the Makeup SHAYLA lip gloss in the shade Neat Freak. And that, you guys, is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.